To enable notifications on the Barclays app, start by opening the app and logging in to your account using your username and password or fingerprint authentication. Once you are logged in, navigate to the menu by tapping the three horizontal lines in the top left corner of the screen. From the menu, select the Settings option, which is usually represented by a gear icon. In the Settings section, scroll down to the Notifications option and select it. You will be presented with a list of available notification types, including account updates, payment reminders, and security alerts. To enable notifications, toggle the switch next to each notification type you want to receive. You can choose to receive notifications for specific accounts, such as your current account or credit card, or for all accounts linked to your profile. It is also important to ensure that your device allows notifications from the Barclays app. To do this, go to your device settings, select the Notifications option, and find the Barclays app in the list of installed apps. Make sure the Allow Notifications option is enabled for the Barclays app. Additionally, you can customize your notification preferences by selecting the types of notifications you want to receive and when you want to receive them. For example, you can choose to receive notifications only during certain hours of the day or when you are in a specific location. By following these steps, you can enable notifications on the Barclays app and stay up to date with your account activity, receive payment reminders, and stay informed about any security issues. Regularly reviewing your notification settings can help you stay in control of your accounts and ensure you receive the information you need to manage your finances effectively.